Hi guys, Brian here, and welcome back. So today, I'm going to unbox and reveal the Jurassic World Dino Tracker Sinotyranus. And it's a grassland one. See that? Grassland, blue and beta, Jurassic World logo, and you can see the actions. And also, it comes with tracking gear. And you can also get this Stegosaurus, which is a mountain. So stay tuned for that. I actually have that one, but I haven't unboxed it yet. But we'll open the Sinotyranus. Next up that's going to come out is Stegosaurus. So stay tuned for the Stegosaurus. But we'll open the Sinotyranus, and tomorrow we'll do Stegosaurus. I'll give you... actually, never mind. I was gonna give you a sneak peek, but nope, I don't want to. So let's just cut down the wires. And does it have anchored feet? No, it doesn't have any anchored feet. Oh, of course it doesn't have anchored feet. There we go. There is the cab tracking gear. So here is the Sinotyranus. It means the Chinese tyrant related to T-Rex. Well, I pretty much knew. It's not from Wikipedia. I just saw a video about this thing. And it has this really distinctive crest, nice teeth. The yellow, the green, and the red are so vibrant. And the articulation, the arms move. The arms move. Oh, wow. It's kind of tight, but it's good nonetheless. The legs go sideways, forward. Yeah, all that jazz. The action feature, one button. You can do this. You go side biters. And the tail swipe. And, I almost forgot. These feet move. DNA, scan code, this. And let's put it with the tracking gear. Let's just move his feet a little bit, and we good at the tracking gear. It's about to be on his body, and then his eye hatch thingies, and you also have this little nice clip right here. So you have a clip. I think it goes all the way around, but it's already tight. Even without the clip, it is still tight. So you can't actually have the no clip, but if you want to have it secure, you need that clip. Yeah, I'm struggling. Even I'm struggling. Let me see how I do it. The box, I need instructions sometimes. It doesn't tell. And oh man, there's no instructions. Let me see how I put it. I think like that should do the trick. Yeah, I put it like that, and then it's gonna be a little harder since, I have to clip that. I think you clip. Oh, never mind. It took off. That's not really great. I sometimes have problems, but it's not much of a problem. It's not really much of a problem. If you know how to do this, just tell me in the comments if there are any comments. But well, hey, I tried my best. But it is fancy. It's fancy pretty much. Look at that. It's actually an awesome one. Yeah, so I did try, and finally I was able to, finally able to connect the clip, and now this looks it. Yeah, I'm not sure if tracking gear you can break out of this. I don't think you can. So the track ones, it's not like Mega Destroyers where they break out. Well, this time they cannot even break out. So the Mattel actually made a tracking gear that cannot break from these guys. Well, it's trying to, but But I mean, it will actually break out of its tracking gear, but you can just simply take off its tracking gear. Yeah, and it's awesome. It has these nice little head caps here. And yeah, the figure fits pretty cool. So yeah, this is it. The gigantic trackers, Sinotyranus, and that was a pretty cool one. So, yeah, like and subscribe. We're on our road to 200 subscribers. Let's do this before January, since we can't do it before New Year comes. So I'll see you tomorrow. I'll see you next video, and stay tuned for the Mega Destroyer.